Hello everyone. Today I will go through the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. So let's start. In supervised learning, the training set you feed to the algorithm includes the desired solutions called labels. A typical supervised learning task is classification. As I have shown in the diagram, the spam filter is a really good example of this. It is trained with many example email along with their class just to identify it's a spam or it's a normal mail, and it must learn how to classify new emails. Another typical task is to predict a target numeric value. As shown in the diagram, the price of a car has a given set of features, mileage, age, brand, and etc. These are called predictors. The sort of a task is called regression. So to train the system, you need to give it many examples of cars, including both their predictor and their labels, that is their prices. In continuation with the car example, in the current example, we predict a value based on the given input features. So in this case, car has the input feature as mileage, age, brand, and based on that it will show you the target car prices. In unsupervised learning, as you might guess, the training data is unlabeled and the system tries to learn without a teacher. So as you can see in the diagram, for example, say that you have a lot of data about the blog visitor and you may want to run a clustering algorithm to try to detect group or similar visitor. So no point do you tell the algorithm which group a visitor belong to, it find those connections without your help. For example, algorithm might notice that 40% of your visitors are males and 40% of visitors are females and 20% are young sci-fi lovers who visit during the weekend. Some of the example of unsupervised learnings algorithm are k-means, dbScan, hierarchical cluster analysis.